AI therapist, friend, or foe. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of therapy is about to change. Artificial intelligence is stepping into the therapist's chair. That's right, AI is now equipped to listen to your problems, offer advice, and maybe even help you understand yourself better. This might sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's our reality. AI therapists are here, and they're ready to redefine mental health care. But before you jump on the AI therapy bandwagon, let's take a closer look at what this technology really means for us. Is this the beginning of a beautiful partnership or a slippery slope towards emotional detachment? That's what we're here to explore. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the fascinating and sometimes unsettling world of AI therapy.
One of the most remarkable things about AI is its ability to learn and adapt. AI systems can analyze your words, tone of voice, and facial expressions to understand your emotional state. Think of it like a highly advanced mood ring, pinpointing the nuances of your emotions with incredible accuracy. AI therapists use this emotional intelligence to tailor their responses to your needs. They can detect subtle shifts in your mood and recognize patterns in your behavior. But how does AI actually understand emotions? It all comes down to algorithms and data. AI systems are trained on massive data sets of human interactions, learning the complex relationship between language, behavior, and emotions.
Imagine having a therapist available to you 24/7, someone who knows your deepest fears and insecurities, your hopes and dreams. That's the promise of personalized AI therapy. These digital confidants are designed to be there for you whenever you need them, offering support and guidance without judgment or interruption.
AI therapy apps and platforms are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their ability to provide personalized care. They can track your progress over time, adjust their approach based on your feedback, and even suggest coping mechanisms tailored to your specific challenges. This level of customization is what sets AI therapy apart from traditional self-help books or apps, offering a truly individualized experience. But personalized AI therapy isn't just about convenience and accessibility. It also has the potential to reach people who might not otherwise seek help. For those who are hesitant to open up to a human therapist, AI can provide a safe and anonymous space to explore their thoughts and feelings. The AI therapist paradox: benefits and challenges. AI therapy comes with its